Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Motorola Defy has a dual SIM card slot. So in order to do this, we'll need to find the SIM card slot on this phone, and it's right here. You can see the gap right here. Now take out your needle that should be included with this phone and simply stick it in this gap and use a bit of the force until it comes out like this. Now we can take it out and see if it has a dual SIM card slot. So here's SD. And there's actually two slots on this. You can see two and one right here, but you need to place it on the opposite sides. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.